Good afternoon, this is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm here in Franklin, Tennessee today on a roof that's got a 10 and 12 pitch as well as a 7 and 12 pitch, the main portion. This roof, even though it's wet, you can tell it's aged. Fiberglass is showing through it. Most of the weathered areas, the north sides, do not show the same weathering, but they've been exposed to a lot of rain, which washes out the asphalt. This roof has had a valley repair. It's also had an upper valley replaced, which may have been a wind damage. There's a few minor things in the shingles, torn off here, scuffed up here. This is most likely from the repair. The pipe flashing is lifted, and so you could do a little bit of maintenance and roll the dice with this roof. But really, as far as a real estate transaction, it's so degranulated. It's at the end of its life. I'm probably better off re-roofing this roof. It might go 1 year, might go 2, but it may have leaks. It's not something I would be comfortable certifying, especially with the other repairs, as well as some repairs down at the bottom of this valley where there was some rotten wood replaced. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD.